Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a card upgrade through Chase account services, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize a card upgrade through Chase account services, begin by visiting the official Chase website. Log into your Chase account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account services section. Look for the option related to card services or card management. Select the option to request a card upgrade. Carefully review the available upgrade options provided. Choose the upgrade that best fits your needs and click on it. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After verification, confirm your choice for the card upgrade. Review any terms and conditions associated with the upgrade. Once you've read everything, proceed with your authorization. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Keep an eye out for an email or notification regarding the status of your upgrade. Your new card should arrive via mail within the specified time frame. After receiving the card, activate it by following the instructions provided. Ensure that you understand any new benefits or terms associated with your upgraded card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.